glad you're here. Today I am going to show you what I do for my morning routine and all of that. So I hope you enjoy and please subscribe. So first I like to pull up my blinds and I like to look at the view, that beautiful view. And then I go to the bathroom and do my skincare. I know I look super grumpy here. I kind of was. I brush my teeth and I do my skincare. To wash my face, I use this cleansing water. It is very good with people with rosacea. I have that on my face, so it's perfect for that. So here I'm just brushing my hair and I am going to do a kind of a hairstyle, but it's very simple and it's just to get the hair out of my face. Doesn't matter what you say, 'cause now that I don't have it, I only miss it every day. So the outfit for today is a cropped jacket and leggings, and here's my dog, my beautiful puppy, and yeah, very simple. I don't remember where the top is from, but the leggings are from Arrow. I think that is how you pronounce it. But yeah, then I go to my room and do my bed because I'm trying to build new habits and this is one of them, and I really enjoy having my bed made, so this is a good one. And I also purchased a life planner, a digital planner, that if you stay to the end of this video, you will get the Etsy shop where I purchased the planner. So basically I just write what I have to do in my day, and this is my habit planner and I really like it. So next I'm gonna do coffee. I cannot live without coffee. Here I'm using a Starbucks blend and basically I'm just doing the coffee now so I can make an iced coffee. So now I'm pouring the coffee into ice and I'm using almond milk, and I'm also using a coconut milk that doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, and also the caramel syrup that I'm using here, it's sugar free. So now I just put some whipped cream on top and that is it. So another new habit that I'm trying to form is reading. I actually do not read a lot, so I am trying to read. So now for breakfast I am having oatmeal. This is a cinnamon oatmeal and it is also gluten free, and I'm just pouring a little vanilla extract and honey, and I'm mixing that with almond milk. So now I'm using my Apple Watch and I'm using the breathing app, and I like using this because it helps me meditate and just breathe and feel good overall. And this is another habit that I want to start to do. And now I'm just sitting at my desk with my computer, and part of my mornings is to watch YouTube videos, and I do try to watch the ads on the YouTube videos because I know that is how YouTubers get paid. And I am watching iJustine. She's so cool. And here is my planner on my computer, and well, the Etsy shop that I purchased my planner is called Hustle Sandy, and she has the best digital planners. I made a lot of research and she is the best. And finally, I just like to work on my bed on whatever I have to do, or just chill. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.